Our latest staircase project involved using charcoal pavers laid over a concrete foundation. The idea was to create access from the parking space up here where the car is down to this pre-existing deck area. And due to the height from where the parking space is, it worked out to be 640mm steps. Yesterday I finished the very top platform, and today I was tidying everything up, removing my temporary pathway, adding some gravel around the edges. The customer wanted to plant a garden on either side of the path, so that was part of the design of incorporating a 1500mm wide platform pathway that cascades down to this pre-existing deck. In our next series, I'm going to take you through the process of our excavation, concrete foundation, and then cladding the staircase in these charcoal pavers.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain. Like a monsoon rain, you have